From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver with the Campus Weather Service forecast. Taking a look at the quad view of the Commonwealth right now, we can see that we generally have a few clouds throughout the state right now, with just a few around Beaver Stadium, but more clouds as we head down towards the south around Lancaster and Pittsburgh and Altoona. But as we zoom in towards Beaver Stadium right now, like I said, we do have a few clouds in the sky right now with a temperature of 68 degrees and a dew point of 54 degrees with the northwest wind at 8 miles an hour. Now, as we take a look at the weather headlines for this week, it's going to be a dry end to the week with no precipitation expected, but the temperatures will start to take a tumble and we'll start to feel like more like fall. And then as we head in towards next week, we can expect some rain to begin our new work week. Now, as we take a look at our temperatures across the region right now, like I said, 68 degrees in State College, 64 in Du Bois, 66 in Indiana, and 69 in Altoona. And as we take a look at the wide view of the Commonwealth, 63 in Erie, 67 in Pittsburgh, and once again, Philadelphia being the warmest part of the state with 77 degrees. Now, so we can take a look at our past radar and satellite right now, we can see a few showers across the northwest and otherwise just a few clouds like we saw on those sky cams. But otherwise, it's mostly clear right now, no precipitation, and that will continue to be the trend throughout the day today. Taking a look throughout the entire country right now, we can see an area of low pressure right there along with that cold front that brought in that rain overnight yesterday. And if we look down towards the southeast, we can see Hurricane Lee down there, and that is expected to make its way up towards the north, and we'll get into that in just a second. But let's take a look at our future weather and future radar right now. We can see just a few clouds around here, maybe an isolated shower, but otherwise nothing too crazy right now. As we go through the day today, we can see into tonight, we can see pretty clear skies. And as we go through tomorrow, pretty clear skies, no precipitation really expected right now. Now, Hurricane Lee right now, as of 11 a.m. right now, it is a Category 3 at 115 miles an hour with a pressure at 948 millibars, and is currently moving to the north-northwest right now at 9 miles an hour. And as we take a look at the cone right now, as we can see, Lee is expected to make a northwest trajectory right now, and it is expected to make landfall somewhere around New England and Canada. There's a little uncertainty with that right now, but that'll get honed in more as we get closer towards the day that it makes landfall, which is expected sometime around this weekend. But zooming out towards the region right now, as we go through Friday, we can see not too much precipitation is expected. However, as we can see, Lee is starting to make its way across towards the New England, towards the northeast. And as we go through Saturday, we might see a few clouds, especially through the eastern portion of the state associated with Lee, but no precipitation is expected with that. And as we go into Saturday into Sunday, we can see Lee looks like it might make landfall somewhere around Maine or Nova Scotia. That is generally the consensus right now. But otherwise, our next storm system will move into by Sunday, bringing a few showers and clouds, and that will continue into Monday with just a few showers and more cloud cover. So taking a look at the weather for today, we can see 75 degrees with partly cloudy skies and an isolated shower is possible. However, I don't really think that's really the case, but there might just be an isolated shower here or there. Winds out southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And as we go in through the night tonight, we can see a low of 51 degrees, so starting to get cool down up here with clear skies and wind north at 5 miles an hour. And as we go in through the day tomorrow, we can see sunny skies with a temperature of 71 degrees and the wind, north wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour. And as we go through our 7-day forecast, we can see that today, partly cloudy skies with 75 degrees. Tomorrow, Friday and Saturday, sunny skies with temperatures in the low 70s and lows in the high 40s to around 50 degrees. And as we go into Sunday, the clouds return. Monday, we can see some sunny skies, maybe a few showers in the morning, but otherwise it looks mostly sunny. And as we go into Tuesday, the clouds return with a high temperature of 72 degrees. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Daniel Weaver. Have a great day.